Hey people, today I will show you how to implement our dismember-able zombie into your ready game projects. We have FPS template as an example. First of all, let's import the Biohazard Zombie project into our game. Now let's drag navigation mesh into our level. We will need it later in order our zombie's basic follow player logic to work. Let's open our default zombie blueprint. As you can see, dismemberment logic is hooked up to point damage event, so we will need to call it whenever we are providing damage to our zombie. But first let's set our zombie's capsule component to ignore projectiles, otherwise it will stop and deflect projectile before it hits zombie's body, and dismemberment system won't get necessary information about which bone was hit from the hit info. Now let's proceed to projectile blueprint and apply point damage to any hit actor on the hit event. Do not forget to set damage higher than 0 and hook up hit info and hit location. And that's it. Now let's quickly run through the options available in the dismemberment component. They are stored under the settings category. Main settings can be found in the dismemberment struct array. There you can set default health for every body part. As soon as it will be damaged and reaches 0, this body part will be dismembered. The next important option is a break health, which basically means that this body part will be marked as broken as soon as its health reaches the number set under this variable. And we have a boolean, enabling which will make corresponding body part to be physically simulated when broken. That's basically all. Thank you for your time, thank you for buying, a link is in the description, and see you, bye!